Assalamualaikum everyone. This video is for MAT 112 group project and it is prepared for Madam Putri Farida Alia, and we are from class BA111A. We are group 4. Today we will be covering topic of compound interest and annuity. Before that, let me introduce myself first. I am Irdina Shamizara binti Jamaluddin and I'm the group leader of group 4. Next, let's move on to the next member.
Hi, my name is Fakira Batisha binti Muhammad Isa.
Hi, my name is Faisal Adina binti Imran.
And my name is Nur Aisha binti Ahmad Faizal.
On part A, question 1, Alia had a fund of 50,000 ringgit and planned to invest it in two different schemes. She invested 55% of her money in scheme A, which pays 6% compounded quarterly, and the balance in scheme B, which pays K% compounded semi-annually. After 10 years, the accumulated amount for both investments were 95,000 ringgit. Find K. Part A, question 1. For scheme A, you'll get 27,500 ringgit. For scheme B, you'll get 22,500 ringgit. The formula I use for this question is compound, which is S equals P in bracket 1 plus I to the power of n. You put those numbers in the formula and you'll get S equals 27,500 in bracket 1 plus 3 over 200 to the power of 40. The answer for S is 49,885 ringgit and 51 cents. Way to find scheme B is S2 equals P in bracket 1 plus I to the power of n. For the second S, you'll get 49,885 ringgit and 51 cents equals to 22,500 in bracket 1 plus K over 2 to the power of 20. You'll bring 22,500 ringgit to the left, so it becomes 49,885 ringgit and 51 cents divided by 22,500 ringgit equals to, in bracket, 1 plus K over 2 to the power of 20. To bring the power of 20 to the left side, it becomes 2.217 to the square root of 20 equals to 1 plus K over 2. You bring the 1 to the left side, it becomes 2.217 square root by 20 minus 1 equals to K over 2. Next, in bracket, 2.217 square root of 20 minus 1 multiplied by 2 equals K. The answer for K is 0.0812. You must multiply by 100 so that the K will be 8.12%. That's all for question 1. Thank you.
Question part B, number 2. Khadijah wants to save her money savings in Kayu Bank, which offer two types of compound interest, namely account X and account Y. Account X pays a 5.5% annual interest rate that is compounded monthly, while account Y pays 4.7% annual interest rate that is compounded every 6 months. Khadijah is considering investing her 38,000 in one of these accounts for 6 years. Using the formula of S equal to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of n. So for account X, S equal to 3800 open bracket 1 plus 0.055 over 12 close bracket to the power of n. So the answer we got is S equal to RM 52816.95. So for the account Y, S equal to RM 3800 open bracket 1 plus 0.047 over 2 close bracket to the power of 12. The answer we got for account Y is S equal to RM 50215.50. So Khadijah should choose account X because she will got her interest money for RM2 516.95.
For part B, question 1, briefly explain the type of annuities. There are two types of annuities. First, we have ordinary annuity certain, and second, we have annuity dual. Ordinary annuity certain is a predict payments that are made at the end of each payment interval. For example, if payment periods are made in terms of month, then the payments are made at the end of each month, while annuity dual is a payments that are made at the beginning of each payment interval. Now let's move on to question 2. A term deposit earns 700 every 3 months into an account that offered an interest rate of 4.70% compounded quarterly. Find the total amount he received at the end of 8 years and 9 months. Okay, I will reveal the solution for this question. First, we will use the S formula to solve this question. And then we must write the S formula, which is S equals to R, open bracket, 1 plus I, and put N as the source of power, and then minus 1, then divided by I, close bracket. Before that, we need to write down all the information given at the question. So, S equals to 700, K equals to 0.0417, M equals to 4, and T equals to 8, 9 over 12. So, now we need to find the I. To find the I, K over M. Then put the value. So, it will be like this, 0.0417 over 4. Then to find the N, M multiplied by T, which is 4 multiplied by 8, 9 over 12. Now, substitute into the formula. So, S equals to 700, open bracket, 1 plus 0.0417, and put 35 as the source of power, minus 1, divided by 0.0417, divided by 4, and then close the bracket. Finally, the total accumulated amount at the end of 8 years and 9 months is approximately Rm 29,003,429.
Part B, question 3. Humaira took an Rm 50,000 personal loan to purchase land. The loan has a 3.8% interest rate compounded monthly, and she must pay Rm 547.36 monthly. So let's move on to the question. Question 3A. Calculate the number of equal payments required. So we have to use the formula A equals to bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of negative n divided by I close bracket. And we must search the negative n, which is the equal payment. So it makes 50,000 equals to 547.36 bracket 1 negative bracket 1 plus 0.03x divided by 12 close bracket to the power of negative n divided by 0.03x divided by 12 close bracket. We move the 547.36 to the front, and it makes 50,000 divided by 547.36, and the answer is 91.348. Next, we move the 0.03x equals to 12 at the bottom to the front, and it makes 91.348 multiple 0.03x divided by 12, and we got the answer is 0.289268666. Next, we move the 1 to the front, and it makes 0.289268666 minus 1, and the answer is negative 0.710731333. We can remove the negative at the both sides, and it makes log 0.710731333 equals to n log bracket 1 plus 0.03x divided by 12 close bracket. We move the log bracket 1 plus 0.03x divided by 12 to the front, and it makes log 0.710731333 divided log bracket 1 plus 0.03x divided by 12 equals to negative n. And we got the answer is negative n equals to negative 108. We can remove the negative at both sides, and final answer is n equals to 108 months or 9 years. Question 3b. Find the interest charge. So we use the formula I equals to RTM minus A. I equals to 547.36 multiple 9 multiple 12 and minus 50,000. And the final answer is I equals to 9114.88. 3c. How much should she pay if she wishes to settle the loan 2 years before the due date? The due date is 9 years. So if so, we must use the formula S equals to R bracket open bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of n minus 1 divided by I close bracket. So S equals to 547.36 bracket open bracket 1 plus 0.038 divided by 12 close bracket to the power of 7 minus 1 divided by 0.038 divided by 12 close bracket. And the final answer we got is S equals to RM 386.11.